Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Promarkit. Today, we're diving into the world of carry-on luggage, the ultimate companion for jet-setters and weekend adventurers alike. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your next getaway, this video is packed with essential tips and insights to help you make the most of your carry-on luggage. From packing hacks to the latest trends in travel gear, we've got you covered. So, fasten your seatbelt and prepare to embark on a luggage adventure with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and tricks. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsonite Omni Luggage. The Samsonite Omni PC carry-on luggage is a highly durable and spacious suitcase perfect for domestic travel. Its 20 inches size meets most carry-on restrictions, and it features 4 oversized spinner wheels for easy mobility. The scratch-resistant micro-diamond polycarbonate texture ensures the suitcase remains beautiful after many trips. The side-mounted TSA locks secure your belongings while the push-button locking handles provide easy maneuverability. The suitcase also features a book-opening case with a mesh divider and compression for neatly pressed clothing. Number 4. Rockland Carry-On Luggage. The Rockland Melbourne Hardside Spinner Luggage in pink is a lightweight, sturdy carry-on made of ABS material. It has 4 spinner wheels, a strong telescoping handle, and interior pockets. It's 20 inches by 13 inches x 9 in size, weighing 7.5 pounds, meeting airline size restrictions for United, American, Delta, Southwest, and Allegiant. Number 3. Zitahli Carry-On Luggage. Zitahli Expandable Luggage is a reliable carry-on suitcase designed for your convenience and peace of mind while traveling. It expands by 20% for added packing space, and its silent double rollers make it easy to move in any direction. The adjustable aluminum trolley suits users of all heights. This luggage boasts durability with a number 8 white ale zipper and a tough shell design. It also includes a TSA-approved lock for security and convenient compartments for easy organization. Lightweight and airline-friendly, Zitahli Expandable Luggage is ideal for air travel, road trips, and more. Number 2. Briggs & Riley ZDX Luggage. The Briggs & Riley ZDX Expandable Luggage is a tough carry-on made of sturdy ballistic nylon that withstands wear and tear, moisture, dirt, and abrasion. It has a wide design that maximizes space and fits in overhead compartments. You can expand it by 34%, and it offers a flat interior to keep your clothes wrinkle-free. This luggage comes with a convenient power pocket for charging on the move, a lifetime guarantee, and a handy front slip pocket with an elastic closure for small items. Number 1. Briggs & Riley Carry-On Luggage. The Briggs & Riley Torque Hardside Carry-On Spinner is a tough and adaptable travel bag suitable for both work and leisure. It has a handy front pocket with easy laptop access, a USB charging port, and is built with strong yet lightweight material to resist damage. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for free repairs, even if airlines cause the damage. Inside, it has padded pockets for laptops and tablets, garment compression panels, and a mesh pocket with a built-in garment suitor. This carry-on is 22 inches tall, 14 inches wide, 9 inches deep, and weighs 6.9 pounds.